Hello everyone, this is Jason Hairston.
Hey, I'm Valerie Elster.
And this is the Evolution of Intimacy. And we're here right now to discuss our Evolution of Intimacy Healing Circles.
It's truly an evening of bliss, healing, and transformation. And we wanted to make this video today to talk about what we're going to do in the circles.
Right, now we want these healing circles to be very intimate. So we want it to be just between like 8 and 10 people. And what we're going to do is we're going to facilitate a group healing, which will incorporate tantric and Reiki techniques.
So the evening's really for you if you, let's say you already meditate, but want to expand your awareness, expand your consciousness. We're going to provide some tips for you. We're going to do this amazing guided meditation where we take you through the chakra system and help you to really unravel any emotional blocks or any healing that you might need to look at. And it's for couples or individuals. So we're going to be also doing, as Jason mentioned, some individual healing and group healing and sound healing. I'm going to play my crystal bowl, which is amazing. I played it last weekend at an event, and it just took everybody somewhere.
Right.
And we're also going to have healthy snacks and chocolate. And it's really a chance to meet Jason and I and kind of feel our energy and also take advantage of a lot of our knowledge and in the healing, different healing modalities. So we have one coming up soon, hopefully in your area, but feel free to reach out if you want to bring us to your town.
Right, we'll also have a group discussion where we'll be able to create a safe space for everyone to talk about what they're going through so we can all get healing collectively within this circle. Because it's not just healing for people who will be coming to a circle, it'll also be healing for us as well.
Yeah.
Because we continually learn on this journey as well.
I thought we knew everything.
So if you're interested and if you're in the California area, please contact us. You can go to our website, evolutionofintimacy.com, or you can go to our Facebook fan page, The Evolution of Intimacy, and check us out.
So reach out if you have any questions. Otherwise, we hope to see you at one of our upcoming circles.
Indeed. One love.
Bye.